Hello students, I hope you are all good. Today we will learn about relative error, percentage error, combination of error and rules for determining the uncertainty in the result of arithmetic calculations. So let's start with relative error. The relative error is the ratio of the mean absolute error, that is delta A mean, to the mean value A mean of the quantity measured. That is, relative error is equals to mean absolute error upon mean value is equals to delta A mean upon A mean is equals to delta A mean upon A naught. For example, a driver's speedometer says his car is going on 60 miles per hour when it is actually going 62 miles per hour. The absolute error of his speedometer is 62 miles per hour minus 60 miles per hour is equals to 2 miles per hour. The relative error of the measurement is 2 miles per hour upon 60 miles per hour is equals to 0.033. After that, let's discuss percentage error. Percentage error is the expression of the relative error in percentage. Formula of percentage error is equals to delta A mean upon A mean multiplied by 100%. For example, by using the above value of the relative error 0.033 and multiply by 100%, this will give the value of percentage error, that is 3.3%. After that, let's discuss the combination of errors. First, error of sum or difference. When two quantities are added or subtracted, the absolute error in the final result is the sum of absolute errors in the individual quantities. If a quantity capital Z be expressed as the sum or difference of the two quantities capital A and capital B, that is, if Z is equals to A plus B or Z is equals to A minus B. We consider Z is equals to A plus B. We have by addition capital Z plus minus delta Z is equals to capital A plus minus delta A plus capital B plus minus delta B. The maximum possible error in delta Z is equals to delta A plus delta B. For the difference Z is equals to A minus B, we have Z plus minus delta Z is equals to A plus minus delta A minus B plus minus delta B. On solving is equals to A minus B plus minus delta A plus minus delta B, or plus minus delta Z is equals to plus minus delta A plus minus delta B on comparing with. The maximum value of the error delta Z is given by delta A plus delta B. Second is that the error of a product or a quotient when two quantities are multiplied or divided. The relative error in the result is the sum of the relative errors in the multiplier. If a quantity capital Z be expressed as a product or a quotient of two quantities A and B, that is, if Z is equals to AB or Z is equals to A by B. Suppose Z is equals to A multiplied by B and the measured value of A and B are A plus minus delta A and B plus minus delta B. Then Z plus minus delta Z is equals to A plus minus delta A multiplied by B plus minus delta B is equals to A multiplied by B plus minus B delta A plus minus A delta B plus minus delta A delta B. On dividing LHS by Z and RHS by AB, that is also Z, we have 1 plus minus delta Z by Z is equals to 1 plus minus delta A by A plus minus delta B by B plus minus delta A by A delta B by B. Since delta A and delta B are small, we shall ignore their product because their product are very small. Hence, the maximum relative error delta Z by Z is equals to delta A by A plus delta B by B. Third is that errors in case of measured quantity raised to a powers. The relative error in the physical quantity raised to the power k is the kth time the relative error in the individual quantity. So we can say that the powers comes into the multiple. Suppose Z is equals to A square is equals to A multiplied by A. By using above expression of error in case of multiple of two quantities, then delta Z by Z is equals to delta A by A plus delta A by A is equals to 2 delta A by A. Hence the relative error in A square is 2 times the error in A. So we can say that the powers comes in the multiple. In general, if capital Z is equals to a power small p, b power small q upon c power small r, then maximum relative error in capital Z is given by delta Z by Z is equals to p multiplied by delta a by a plus q multiplied by delta b by b plus r multiplied by delta c by c. After that, let's discuss the rules for determining the uncertainty in the result of arithmetic calculation. To calculate the uncertainty below process should be used at the lowest amount of uncertainty in the original number. Example, uncertainty for 3.2 will be plus minus 0.1 and for 3.22 will be plus minus 0.01. Calculate these in percentage also. After the calculation, the uncertainties gets multiplied, divided, added, subtracted. Round off the decimal places in the uncertainty to get the final uncertainty result. Example, for a rectangle, if length small l is equals to 16.2 centimeter and the width small b is equals to 10.1 centimeter, then take l is equals to 16.2 plus minus 0.1 centimeter or 16.2 centimeter plus minus 0.6% and breadth small b is equals to 10.1 plus minus 0.1 centimeter or 10.1 plus minus 1%. On multiplication, area is equals to length into breadth is equals to 163.62 centimeter square plus minus 1.6% or 163.62 plus minus 2.6 centimeter square. Therefore, after rounding off, area is equals to 164 plus minus 3 centimeter square. Hence, 3 centimeter square is the uncertainty or error in the estimation of area of rectangular sheet.